Okay, so our TV broke and was two capacitors that broke, so I needed to learn how to solder. So I bought this whole set right here, but before I even move on to the TV, I want to at least get a little bit of practice. So as you can see, got this mechanical keyboard here with this switch that's broken. When I checked, this one is actually soldered, so I ended up breaking one of the switches when I tried forcing it off. This is my first mechanical keyboard actually, so yeah, that's what happened. So I'm gonna be replacing this switch here with a new one. Also this, I thought it was a spring at first, turns out this is solder wire. I'm gonna get started. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Oops. Where the heck are their screws? Dang, okay, I think they're under the... Yeah, they're under the switch. The keycaps, my bad. Okay. I think I better just skip this portion. Okay, there we go. So you got all the keycaps and the screws removed. Okay, still a little bit dirty after I brushed it, but that's as much effort I'm willing to put into this. So let's take a look and see what we're working with here. Yeah. So you can see right there, each switch is soldered. And if you go take a look at this one, yeah, it's screwed. Just pretty much brute force this thing off, so. Wait, let me show you guys. Yep. It's that bad. If you take a look at the board here, yeah, it's still soldered. So, okay, how do I do this now? I think I saw in one video that they used this like solder sucker to take that off, I guess, or yeah, that's not it. Okay, forgot to heat up the soldering iron here. I'm gonna get that plugged in first. Okay, so I got my iron heated up already. So apparently I gotta like put a little flux on the tip and rub it on this tip cleaner. I don't know what I'm doing. Then the video said that I like gotta melt a little bit of solder on the tip. Yeah, this thing's not melting. Okay, I think I need to wait for it to heat up more. Okay, so it looks like it's hot enough to melt the solder already. So I guess we should, I don't know, start, I guess. Oh, there we go. So I guess I just... Yeah, this thing's not working. A little bit more. Let's give it another shot, I guess. Oh, there we go. It's looking good. Okay, this solder sucker doesn't seem to be working too good. But, I guess it's doing its job, I guess. Yeah, it's doing its job. Oops. That did not work. Oh, okay. So that's how you do it. I guess. Whoops. Okay, looks like I was just using it wrong. Actually, looks quite good. I guess it's probably time for our switches, I guess. Replacement. So let's go ahead and grab one of these. Right there. Then slot that baby right in, I guess. Okay, it won't fit. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. So I guess all that's left is to solder that, I guess. Okay, probably shouldn't be doing this on a plastic table, but yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. Let's see if this works now. Oh, I think I'm getting it now. Come on. Okay, so there you have it. It's not the best soldering job, but I'd say I did pretty good, I guess. I don't know, it doesn't look like it's gonna work actually, but let's wing it. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this thing out. Let's see here. Plug this in. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Let's see. So, test that. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got it working, guys. Okay, that's a job well done, I'd say. It's not the perfect job, but as long as it works, am I right? Well, that should be it. Thank you guys for watching.